How to make throw pillowcase steps by steps. Materials and equipments needed. 2 cuts of fabric that measures 18 by 18 inches. Invisible zipper that measures 20 inches. Thread that matches the color of your fabric. Fabric scissor or cutter. Fabric clips or pins. Zipper foot. Shear scissor. Ruler. Sewing machine. These are the steps. Lay one fabric right side up. Make sure that the pattern is going upward. Then lay the other fabric right side down. On the lower portion of the fabrics, secure the fabrics with all fabric clips or pins. Still on the lower portion of the fabrics. Mark both ends with 1/2 by 2 inches. Sew the markings you made on the fabrics. Backtack the inner side. Fold and iron the fabric to make it flat. Make sure that the 2 folds will meet on the center. Not far away. Line and iron it gently. Secure the folds with fabric clips or pins. Next step will be installing the zipper. Insert the invisible zipper under the fabric. Secure the zipper with the fabric using a fabric clips or pins. Change the universal foot with a zipper foot. Sew the fabric with the invisible zipper. When the zipper pull is on the way, lift the pressure foot lifter and move the zipper pull away from the needle. Continue to sew all the way down. Make sure to line the fabric on the middle properly to hide the zipper. When you reach the ends, double stitch the sides. Bring the ends of the zipper and hand sew together. Cut the excess zipper at least 1 inch from the side. Align the ends of the fabrics. Secure it with fabric clips or pins. Change the zipper foot with universal foot. Open the zipper halfway. Then sew all around the fabrics with a 1/2 inch allowance. Using a shear scissor, cut the fabrics all around the edges to prevent it from fraying. Cut the fabric on the side of the zipper. Turn the fabric right side out. Push the corners using a chopstick or a turning sticks. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button if you want to be notified with my incoming videos. Thank you.